Thanks for tuning in to our GrowOS app walkthrough. We'll be going over the different key areas and functions of the app to dial in your ideal grow settings. So let's get started. How to connect the device to the internet. To add your device to the appliance list on the app and connect it to the internet, select the plus button icon. The app should automatically scan for nearby devices that are already turned on. Click on the desired device and set up your Wi-Fi connection. A strong connection to Wi-Fi is needed. If your signal is low, you can connect a Wi-Fi extender near your device. Please note, Bluetooth connection on your mobile device should be turned on for this step. Adding nutrients. Before you run your system, it is important to add your nutrient solution. To correctly prepare your system for nutrients, select the control page located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Then select Add Nutrients. Follow the on-screen instructions depending on the method you use to introduce nutrients. Make sure the release valve is closed prior to adding liquids. If the valve is open, liquids will spill from the system. Once you have finished adding your nutrients, prime the system by clicking the Prime button. Failure to prime may lead to suboptimal performance of your unit. Draining nutrients. To drain nutrients, pause your current grow plan from the main menu before draining. Select the control page located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Select the Drain Nutrients tab. Follow the on-screen instructions and begin depressurizing the system. To connect the 1/4 diameter tube to the connector, simply insert. Gently pull the tube to make sure it doesn't easily get disconnected. Follow the on-screen instructions, open the release valve, and click the Pump Out Nutrient button on the app screen. When all nutrients have been pumped out, close the release valve. If the release valve is left open when nutrients are added, they will continue to flow out from the valve. To remove the tube, hold and push back the tube at the quick connector and gently pull. If the tube does not initially release, avoid yanking the connection. Refer back to how to add nutrients and prime your system before resuming your grow plan. Calibrating EC and pH. For calibrating your sensors, you will need a reference solution. Calibration solution kits can be purchased online. Select the control page located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Select pH calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions to use in conjunction with your preferred calibration solution. Repeat for EC and CO2 calibration. Please note, CO2 sensors will be available through Bifarm in a future release. Creating a grow plan. To create a grow plan, navigate to the home screen. Click on the Grow Plan section underneath the Media viewport. To name your grow plan, click where it says Stage. Click on the timeline to change days, delete stage, insert stage, or to exit, press Cancel. Select Insert Stage to create a new stage with your preferred settings. Under the light settings, set your light schedule by clicking the light settings section and inputting your desired settings for the stage. Under Nutrient, you can set your temperature settings as well as TDS concentration range by clicking the Nutrient section. Under Climate, you can set your desired grow room temperature and humidity. These settings will be controlled if you have auxiliary equipment set up. Otherwise, the humidity and temperature will only be monitored via the included sensors. To configure your misting schedule, click under the Lights On/Off section. Then set how long you would like your mist to be sprayed and the intervals it will be sprayed at. For example, the mist will spray for 5 seconds every 2 minutes in the stage shown below. Repeat this step for the lights off schedule. To add other stages with different settings, repeat the previous steps. Auxiliary connection. For details on auxiliary equipment mapping, on the GrowOS app, select the control page located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen and select Auxiliary Configuration. The primary controls will be pre-labeled and mapped for you. And that's it for this GrowOS walkthrough. Make sure to check out our other Bifarm tutorials and subscribe to our channel and newsletter in the description below for more updates.